Hi, Jason Walsh with Nev Distributing, here to discuss the Forza range available to you from Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. Forza is a brand that was introduced 5 years ago into North America. Forza's heritage goes back to 1959. It's actually manufactured by a company named Glemgas in Modena, Italy. As you can see by the radical Italian design integrated into this range, Forza has brought to us the look and feel of the Italian sports cars. In addition to ranges, Forza also offers a variety of range hoods, as well as a 24-inch built-in dishwasher. If you'd like to test drive the world's only 48-inch single-door Forza, or our 36-inch black door optioned Forza range, please visit us at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. We are located in Calabasas, Costa Mesa, Torrance, and Studio City. Thank you.